Gemini versus Siri, two giants, one question, who won? Gemini is Google's advanced AI model. Siri is Apple's built-in assistant. Gemini excels at contextual reasoning and long-form answers. Siri is lightning quick for device control and short voice tasks. Gemini uses larger models for creativity, multi-step reasoning, and web context. Siri focuses on tight iOS integration, offline shortcuts, and privacy-centric features. Gemini supports multimodal inputs like images and long context windows. Siri offers seamless voice activation, system-level shortcuts, and reliable on-device actions. From a user interface view, Gemini prototypes flexible chat-like experiences. Siri keeps a terse voice-first UX optimized for hands-free and quick responses. Privacy-wise, Apple leans hard on on-device processing. Google relies more on cloud models. Verdict: Gemini wins for raw capability and creative reasoning. Siri wins for privacy and native control.